Welcome. By now, you may have heard that Medi-Cal is restarting the renewal requirement and might be wondering what that means. Simply stated, Medi-Cal beneficiaries must have their eligibility reviewed every year to make sure they remain eligible. To do so, counties issue packets for clients to complete and return. This video will walk you through several pieces of the renewal process, including receiving the renewal packet, completing the packet, and returning the packet. Please keep in mind that because the renewal process is tailored to individual circumstances, there may be items mentioned in this video that do not apply to you. This is meant as a broad overview to help you through your renewal should you need assistance. So, let's begin. When you receive your renewal packet, you will notice it is pre-populated with information about your household. The information you see on this form is what is currently known to the county. As you go through the renewal, please make sure to answer all questions, especially the questions asking whether the information displayed is correct. If it is not correct, please make sure to provide updated information as requested. For example, if your renewal only lists yourself, but you've recently had a baby or have gotten married, you would indicate the household information is not correct and then provide as much information about the other household members as possible. You will see the renewal also asks about income. It is very important to both confirm whether the income known to your case is correct and provide proof of the income, as well as proof of any other income not known. For Medi-Cal purposes, income is any money that crosses your hands. So please include things like unemployment, alimony, wages, or pensions. While not all income is considered countable, it is important that we have all the information so we may determine how it may impact your case. Another important tip is to make sure you attach proof. Examples include pay stubs, profit and loss statements, or award letters. If your income varies, such as seasonal employment, please report that on your renewal and provide an estimate of what you expect to receive in the next 12 months. Next is any expenses or deductions you may be responsible for. While Medi-Cal does not include things like housing costs, expenses such as student loan interests or health savings are considered. Some of you may have property pre-populated on your renewal form. If so, please review the property listed on the renewal form and confirm whether the information is still correct. If it is not, please make sure to indicate so, and of course, attach proof. Proof of property include things like bank statements and vehicle registrations. The renewal form will ask about personal property and real property, such as your home. Be sure to include as much information about your Medicare as possible, including your premium amount and any Part D coverage. You will see several questions about things that may or may not be applicable to your situation, such as long-term care and whether you have other health insurance. If there are no other household changes to report, the last item on the renewal to-do list is to sign and date your renewal. Then, make sure to return it for processing. Once you've finished completing your renewal packet, you must return it to the county for processing. You can return the packet via the prepaid envelope provided for you, or you can drop it off at one of our local county offices. However you decide to return it, make sure it is received prior to the last day of your renewal month. For example, if your renewal says it's due in August, make sure your packet is received no later than August 31st. As we say goodbye, a few final key reminders. Make sure you answer each question. Provide proof of any income and property you have. And make sure to return your packet as quickly as possible to avoid any gaps in coverage.